Hey everyone, it's Cheryl from Teaching 2 and 3-year-olds. A couple of weeks ago, our toddlers made these real fun, colorful leaf sun catchers, and I did a separate video about it. And the process of it is using a leaf template and tracing on construction paper, and then removing the center so that you have a leaf frame. That meant that I had extra leaves when I was finished. And there's no way I could just get rid of these. I had to use these for something. So I decided to make a thankful banner. Now last September we did a friendship banner and I loved it and it was really popular with all of you. So I thought, you know what? Let's do a We Are Thankful banner with this. So a little tip I have first is that I like to color my glue. And this is something I actually started 29 years ago when my first son loved to do anything with gluing at the kitchen table. So I would tint our glue. I would either use paint, tempera paint, or food coloring. And usually I will take a bottle of glue that's 3/4 to a half, somewhere around there full, so you have some room for the color. And then I just kind of shake it and squeeze it. The reason I like to tint our glue is because the children can see it more and it just adds another dimension to the art activity. And so often I want to use paint, but I also want them to stick something onto it and I don't want it to be 2 different steps. So why not make it 1 step and have tinted colored glue? So what I did was I raided my my craft bin, and I found lots of fun little pom-poms, and I thought, oh, we'll just have them glue the pom-poms on the leaves, and that'll be a fun fine motor activity. So they just simply took it, and we just squeezed some of the color on it. See how that looks? See how much fun that is? And imagine if you even used like lots of different colors on here. And then they just simply pressed the pom-poms on it. When it was thoroughly dry, I turned it into a banner. So what I did was I took each leaf and I poked a hole on either side of the leaf with a hole punch. And then I have this nice little We Are Thankful printable that I'll include in the description. And there's also some little labels. So I used the labels, put their names on it, put brad, secured each leaf with a brad, and then we have our thankful banner. And I think this will be really fun because this week we have been talking about what are we thankful for, what makes us happy, who do we love, how do we treat each other, how do we show that we are thankful. So this will be a great fun, decoration for the classroom because as you know, I love to use the children's work to decorate our room. So we're gonna squeeze some glue on here, then you're gonna take your brush and you're going to go all around it, and then you get to put the pom-poms on top.